Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade volatility 75 index on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, volatility 75 index on 15 minutes time frame. I have V75 on the window 15 minutes time frame, and the window is divided into four places. I have the main window. Okay, this is the main window. I have indicator window 1. This indicator window 1. I have indicator window 2. This indicator window 2. And I have indicator window 3. This indicator window 3. Now, how does this strategy work? The strategy works in the way where on the main chart, when price cross, okay, I'm using the 15 minutes time frame. When price cross above the mid bands, like we have a cross above here, you have your buy signal. Okay, cross above and then close above the two mid bands. Okay, that's a buy signal. All right, and it cross below, that's a sell signal. You have a cross below here for you to sell. Cross and close below for you to sell. Cross and close above for you to buy. Okay, cross and close below for you to sell. Okay, cross and close below for you to buy. It's a very simple strategy. Okay, now that is that. For the confirmation, you possibly have a trend as when it cross and close above for you to buy, and then you now have its price lapping against the upper Bollinger Bands. That's where you have confirmation to continue to buy. All right, cross and close below, and then you now have price lapping around the lower Bollinger Bands. That's confirmation for you to continue to sell. But basically, the lower bands should serve as your support. Like you have a support around here. Okay, price tested the support and bounced. So the lower band is expected to be your support, and the upper band is expected to be your resistance. Look at what happened here. Price tested the resistance at the upper band and dropped. Okay, so that's basically how to use the indicators, the Bollinger Bands on the main window. Okay, now for indicator window 1, where I have the bears power indicator. Now the way this indicator window works is when the red line crosses down on the mid line, okay, or the mid level, like you have around there, that's signal for you to sell. So at the point of crossing the zero level downwards, that's a sell signal. Okay, at the point of crossing down, sell signal, you can see it's still down, price sold. But when it crosses its upward buy signal, like you have upward here, for you to buy. Okay, crossing downward, sell signal. Okay, upward buy, like you have an upward here. So that's for indicator window 1. Same thing goes for indicator window 2. Upward buy. Okay, And then downward sell. Do you have a case of downward for us to sell? Okay, we do not have yet. So this the price is still buying. Well, let's go back into history. Okay, yeah, we have a downward case here for us to sell. Okay, time to sell around there. Time to buy around here. And time to sell around here. It's time to sell. Okay, retest, then time to sell. Okay, this is another time to sell. All right. Of course, this is time to sell on the indicator window 1. Okay, and this is the time to sell on the main chart. And let me highlight it. Excuse me. It's time to sell on the main chart. Okay, let's look at indicator window 3. Of course, when the red line crosses down on the blue line on indicator window 3, that's your time to sell. It's your time to sell. Now look at when all the time to sell aligns. Just take just place your sell trade when they all align. Place your sell trade and sell blindly. Scalp some profits and be happy. Okay. Well, the time to buy. Let's look for a time to buy. Okay. Let's look for like this is a time to buy. Okay. Time to buy here. Another buy time. Okay. Time to buy here. Okay, another buy time. And look at that's it. So and also on the main chart, it's your time to buy. So when you have an alignment, okay, of all signals, okay, then you ride, place your trade and ride, okay, you can see, you ride the profit and make some money. So it's as easy as that, okay. Now let's look at the settings, the parameters of how you can set this strategy. Okay, I have on the main chart, I have fractals, I have Bollinger Bands. The period is 50, the deviation is 2.0, shift is 0, apply to close, color is green. Then I have another Bollinger Band. This time around I have 40, period is 40, the deviation is 2.0, shift is 0, apply to close, and the color is red. Then we go to the indicator window 1. I have BS power indicator. Period is 13. The color is gray. Level is 0. Okay. Still on indicator window, I have a moving average. Period is 10. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to first indicator's data. And the color is red. Now we go to indicator window 2. We have Bulls power indicator. Period is 13. Color is gray. Okay, the level is 0. And still on the indicator window 2, we have moving average. Period is 10. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to first indicator's data. And the color is green. And the last indicator window, which is indicator window 3, we have MACD. The fast EMA is 5, slow EMA is 17, MACD SMA is 5, apply to close. Okay, the color of the main and the signal will match the background color of the chart. Then we have moving average. Period is 1, shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to first indicators data, color is red. And then we have another one, 200 period, shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to previous indicators data and the color is blue. So that's that for all the parameters. If we look at what's happening currently, let's go to the, okay, this what's happening. You can see this is well above the mid band, telling us price is buying. It's also above the 0 level. We're in a buy signal. Also, this is above the 0 level. Buy signal, and this is above this blue. This red line is above the blue, so it's also buy signal. But when you have this crossing, this price crossing down below the mid bands, and you have the red line crossing down below the 0 level, and you have the green line crossing down below the 0 level, and you have this red line crossing down below the blue, then you can start to have sell signal. This is a 15-minute time frame. You can use this strategy on any time frame. Okay, it's a very good strategy. Make sure you backtest it, check it with what has happened in history. Also try it out on demo account for some time. As soon as you get a grip on how to use it, you can then go to a live account and use it to trade on your money. All right, so don't forget to click the subscribe button on this channel, on this video. Click the subscribe button, click the like button, make comment, ask question below the video. Also click the bell button for notification. Then we have our website, www.binfxtrader.com. Let's have another website, fxfable.com. You can learn how to trade Forex and volatility index on these two websites. So till I come your way next time, is bye for now.